Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. In this video, you will get updates. We'll discuss on passive will change your life. We'll discuss four main things. One is Happy Independence Day. Today is 15th August, Independence Day of India. So, congratulations and best wishes to India, all the citizens of India. And my dear friend, also you will get our Honorable CEO Mr. Mufareh's very important message. Also we will discuss about new website and about financial freedom and total freedom. My dear friend, let us begin. My dear friend, Happy Independence Day to India, all the people of India. Today is 15th August. And my dear friend, about India, unity in diversity. India, we are having 1.4 billion population, 140 crores. My dear friend, in India, internet users, 692 million people, they use the internet. And India government, we are having the Digital India programs, total digitization. My dear friend, the message by our Honorable CEO Mr. Mufareh, he was live in yesterday's webinar. Yesterday, that is 14th August 2023. Our Pakistani friends, brothers and sisters, they are conducting the webinar, Happy Independence Day, celebrating their Independence Day. And our Honorable CEO Mr. Mufareh, he came, he talked many things, and the message is stay close to back of his, my dear friend. New update is coming, it will come any time. And on passive is also a unity in diversity, global brotherhood, bringing the world together, all nations, my dear friend. My dear friend, about ONPASSIVE website, it is a stunning website, my dear friend. You will get many messages, so please visit onpassive.com. New website, the theme is Indian Independence Day tricolor. About many things you will get, your ecosystem, you know. My dear friend, please go through about section about ONPASSIVE. ONPASSIVE from conventional to contemporary sustainable technology for all demands. With the advanced AI, artificial intelligence technology catering to the needs of all the business segments, my dear friend. My dear friend, also please go through who we are. You will get many things on passive. Unlock your business potential with artificial intelligence. Or the things we automate, innovate, elevate and launch, my dear friend. My dear friend, also we are the future of internet. My dear friend, please go through. And my dear friend, also you know who we are. Explore uncharted technology horizons and revolutionize every industry with AI. Revolutionary AI-powered ecosystem, trust of our 1 million brand ambassador, driving global innovation, simplifying and streamlining your business infrastructure, and ONPASSIVE is opening in 190 plus countries, my dear friend. Also, my dear friend, there is a very stunning news. ONPASSIVE launched to roll. It has come to our website. I made many videos on Passive. Is launching to roll, my dear friend, and it has come. Also, my dear friend, you are seeing the paying options, also the global office address in India, Singapore, United States of America, USA, Dubai, Egypt, my dear friend. And my dear friend, the best part, if you are having big trust, and if you utilize the ONPASSIVE platform, the way you should utilize, there are many instructions, many advice from our Honorable CEO. Please follow that, and it will bring the financial freedom, time freedom, and many more things, total freedom, my dear friend. It is time to celebrate, my dear friend. Whatever you are having a dream, you can fulfill through ONPASSIVE platform. So stay tuned, engage yourself, update yourself, take actions, my dear friend. ONPASSIVE, it's a done deal. Wish you all the best. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for active watching. Thank you.